Hello, we're now at the last video of this section, route an IPv6 netblock to your local network. In the previous video we looked at how to use IPv6 tables to firewall your IPv6 traffic. In this video we will configure and start ravd via the init script or as appropriate for your distribution. So far, all we've done is allocate a single IPv6 address to your machine that is hosting the tunnel. One of the nice things about IPv6, however, is the ability to obtain a large number of public IP addresses for your local networks rather than using NAT. In fact, Hurricane Electric and 6XS both offer complementary 4.8 networks to use with your tunnel. A 4.8 includes 2 raised to 80 IP addresses, or 1, 208, 925, 819, 614, 629, 174, 706, and 176. Much better than the 1 IPv4 address you typically get from a consumer IP address. To utilize them, you just need to advertise their availability. Now, after this brief introduction, we will see how to do it. Install ravd via your package management system. Configure etc ravd.conf. Start ravd via the init script or as appropriate for your distribution. Now let's see how it works. Rather than requiring DHCP for IP address allocation, IPv6 implements the Neighbor Discovery Protocol (NDP) as defined by RFC 2461. NDP uses multicast on the link layer to discover neighbors and routes on the local network and can allow client systems to auto-configure the addresses for themselves based upon what address ranges local routers are advertising. The router advertisement daemon, or ravd, is an open source implementation of the Neighbor Discovery Protocol. The simple configuration that we provide here advertises this network on ETH1. This is part of a larger 32 network which is made available for documentation purposes. You should instead replace this value with the 64 network that you obtained from 6XS, Hurricane Electric, or your ISP. Splendid! We have marked the end of this video. Here we dealt with routing an IPv6 netblock to your local network. Also, we have come to the end of the section. In this section, we had set up an IPv6 tunnel via Hurricane Electric, then looked at how to use IP6 tables to firewall your IPv6 traffic, and finally, routed an IPv6 netblock to your local network. Hope to see you soon. Stay tuned. In the next section, we're going to learn about remote access.